When using Google Classroom as a student, and when you're interacting with different assignments that teachers have posted for you, there's different ways you can actually submit your work. The first assignment I want to show you is this particular one right here called this assignment here where it says describe the concept of positive and negative externalities through the use of a narrative, data, images, charts, and graphs. So it's saying do a lot of stuff here, but if I open up this assignment, I click open, right? I have here the name of the assignment, but also a little description here of what I'm supposed to be doing. All right, utilize the Google tools to demonstrate my understanding of the above concept up here. With this button, I can add a comment to the whole class regarding this assignment, all right, and everybody will see it. So I can click that and ask a question. You know, this will go to everyone in the class, and it's kind of attached to this assignment. But also down here, private comment, this will be a question that goes right to your teacher regarding this assignment. But now, as far as doing the work, right? So utilize Google tools to describe this. It's talking about narrative, data, images, charts, and graphs. So narrative I see as a Google Doc. You know, it's text that you're writing. Data might be a spreadsheet. Images, you're pulling images into the spreadsheet or the documents. Charts and graphs are can be created through the spreadsheet as well. Maybe you put all this together through a slides presentation. So what you want to do, whenever you're working in Google Classroom and you're asked to do things, create those documents and things from the assignment. So if I go here, you have two options, add and create. Add is for items you already have stored in your Google Drive, a web link, or a file that's on your computer somewhere. But when you click create, you can go to create, and my first thing will be my narrative. I can go create a doc. When I do create a doc, you're going to see this document pop up right here. It's named the name of the assignment, and if I open this up, which is what you'd want to do, it's named the name of the assignment, plus it has my name attached. So it's named correctly, it's attached to myself, to you as a student, and it's also shared automatically with the teacher. So there's none of that you have to do. You don't have to name it, share it, or anything. It's just created for you. So here, here is where you would type all your text, your document, okay? And we can say we're done with that, okay, for now. But also, as far as data, maybe I need to do a spreadsheet as well. I'm going to create a sheet. There's my sheet. I can open it. Same thing. It's going to be named the name of the assignment, also with my name. I can include all the data that I need for this particular assignment. And again, it's already shared with the teacher and all that stuff. So I'm just going to close that. I don't need to interact with it. I could pull images in charts and things into those. But maybe I want to tie all this together using a slides presentation. So I can click slides, create slides. And there it pops it up. And maybe the slides is where I want to bring in all my data, screenshots of that. I want to link to my narrative, which would be in a Google Doc. And again, it's named correctly with my name. It's shared with the teacher. So I don't have to do any of that sharing and going into my Google Drive and creating it in those files. It can all be done just right through that particular assignment. So I work on this, okay. If you have collaborators, if you're working with peers, then you can actually share, just like you always have. Click the blue share button on that document and share it with whoever your collaborator is. Well, let's just say I've worked through all this assignment. I've created these documents and things right through this particular assignment. Once I'm done with that, I can then just click this blue turn in button. It says, okay, you have these 3 attachments. You sure you want to turn in? Yep, I'm going to turn in. And what's happening there is your assignments are given to your teacher. The teacher is notified that you're done. You can not edit these now unless you unsubmit them. Right now you have view-only rights because you've turned them into your teacher and your teacher has access to those. So unless you unsubmit them, you can't edit them. So you can unsubmit if you want. So I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to show you another type of assignment. And you can see I'm done with that particular assignment. This assignment a little bit different. So if I open this one, you're going to see something a little bit different, right? So it's called Biomes, my ideal biome, and it's due November 2nd. And one of my instructions says, see the attached document and answer the question. There's actually an attached document here called Ideal Biomes with my name attached to it. I can open that up. And this is going to, what the teacher did is attached a Google Doc and allowed it to make a copy for every student. So what I can do actually is work with this document where the questions are here that the teacher asked. So I can work directly within this document. So name 3 biomes, you know. You can say tundra, what grassland, I don't know. What biome do we live in? You know, I would love to live, and you can, you know, type whatever you wanted here, right? We don't need the bullets from our answer. But you would just type anything, you'd answer all the documents, and look up here in the top right, turn in. When you're all done, you can click this turn in, and it's just like that button we saw before, the turn in button. Are you sure? You turn it in, and you're done. So if I go back, you're going to see both of these assignments are marked as done. So you saw the 2 different ways that you can interact with the assignments. When there was nothing attached and you're creating these documents and things right from the assignment, but also if the teacher attaches a particular document, you can work right within that one.